Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain you very important law of probability, that is law of total probability. You understand it very properly. First read this law. This law tells, let in a random experiment, suppose any experiment S is a sample space and E1, E2 up to En are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. In our previous video I have explained you what is mutually exclusive and exhaustive events, that you can see in that video. So these events are mutually exclusive and exhaustive if A is any event which occur with either E1 or E2 or E3 or En. In this law, suppose A is any event which can occur with E1 or E2 or E3. In any event it can occur. So we can find out the total probability of A by this formula. This first you have to find out probability of E1, then this conditional probability you have to multiply A upon E1 plus this is where we have to total that for every event, because A occurs in A can occur in any event E1 or E2 or E3. So you have to add this all possibilities. That's why it is called law of total probability. You have to total that all possibilities to occur of event A. That is called total probability of A. So plus P probability of E2 plus conditional probability for E2 also A upon E2 up to En. Probability of En and P A upon En. So this all addition you can combine by this summation formula. Summation I varies from 1 to n, so R varies from 1 to n, so P A upon ER. So put value R from 1 to n and add them, so that whole formula you can combine here. So this is the formula for total probability. Now you can understand this formula by this is very nice example is given here. So we solve this question and you will clear this formula, how you can use this total formula for total probability. Many times you have to use this formula while solving objective or numeric question. This formula is very important. So see here we are solving on board this question and how you can use this formula. So first you have to read this question and understand that two sets of candidates are competing for the position on the board of directors of a company. Two sets are given. Thus probability that the first and second sets will win are 0.6 and 0.4. That probability are given for both the sets respectively. If the first set wins, the probability of introducing a new product is 0.8. Suppose first set wins, so new product will be introduced by 0.8. This is probability, and the corresponding probability if the second set wins, that is 0.3. If second set wins, that probability is 0.3. So what is the probability that the new product will be introduced? So how you will find out that probability for new product? So here we are going to solve this. So see, first you write down that let event E1 denotes that first set wins. Event A1 you give to for first set. Suppose event A1 denotes that first set wins, and event E2 denotes that second set wins. This is given for event A1 and event A2, and event B denotes that new product is introduced. That we have to find out what is the probability of new product will be introduced. Suppose event B is denote that new product is introduced. So given, what is given? Probability of A1 is 0.6. Probability of first set wins, that probability is given 0.6, and probability that second set wins A2, that given 0.4. Here it is given in the question 0.6 and this is 0.4. So what is probability of new product introduced? If suppose A1 wins, that means you have to apply here conditional probability. Suppose A1 wins, so probability of new product introduced, that is conditional probability, that given 0.8 in the questions. And suppose second set wins A2, so the probability that is given that new product introduced is 0.3. It is given in the question. This is 0.3 and 0.8. 0.3 for second sets, that is B upon A2. This is both are conditional probability. So now what is probability of new product introduced? So probability of PB we have to find out, this new probability of new product. So you have to apply here law of total probability, formula for law of total probability. By the law of total probability, what is the formula for PB? PA1 PB upon A1 plus PA2 PB upon A2. This is the formula for total probability. PA1 PB upon A1 plus PA2 plus B upon A2. This is the same formula which we have given for the total probability. This formula we are using here, so we can find out the probability of new product. So you put this all values here. PA1 0.6 multiply 0.8 plus 0.4 multiply PB upon E2 is 0.3. So this calculation is probability of new product is 0.6 is the answer. So this is, you can solve by the law of total probability, which is very important while solving such types of numeric question. So you always remember this formula, so you can solve such types of numeric very easily. Hope you understood this formula. Thank you very much.